This is a fidget pen that I got. It's got a spin dial on there. It did have a clip on there, but I broke it off. What you have to do is press the button down and then it would release the clip, which I didn't realise at the time. It's got a nice roll ball action. It's got the flip switch. It's got the depression groove for rubbing your thumb against, and also you've got some grooves there, and the normal press button function. You know, it's not a bad product. This pen was started on Kickstarter. I doubt this is the original fidgi pen, but it's a close second. I have ordered another pen, and hopefully I won't have to wait so long for that one. But all in all, it's a good little pen.